Good morning, sixth class children. Get ready for class. Open your textbook, notebook, and take pen. We are doing natural numbers and whole numbers. Second chapter, and in previous class we completed 2A. In this natural numbers, what are the natural numbers? Counting numbers. Counting numbers means what is your age? 10 years. What is the cost of this book? 100 rupees. What is the kg cost of 1 kg sugar? 40 rupees. So like that we are saying all numbers. These are counting numbers. We say natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and there is no ending number. There is no end. Infinite numbers, natural numbers. So we learned in previous class also. Now next, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers, one number extra added, 0. That is 0. Starting number of whole numbers is 0, whereas starting number of natural numbers is 1. Natural numbers are written as 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. And whole numbers are written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Here the smallest natural number is 1, smallest whole number is 0. So like this, we difference of these two numbers, only one number extra 0. All whole numbers, all natural numbers are called as whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers because 0 is not there in natural number. That is the difference. Don't confuse. Very easy. And now there are some properties. What are the properties? Reflexive property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive law. See, what is reflexive? Reflexive meaning is if sum of any two natural numbers is also a natural number. 5 is a natural number, 6 is a natural number. When we add these two, we are getting 5 plus 6, 11. 11 is a natural number. Like this. Like when we add two whole numbers, then the result is also a whole number. It is called reflexive property. And what is commutative? Reflexive property. Reflexive property and commutative property. Commutative property, commutative property, and associative property, associative property, and distributive property, distributive property. And additive identity, and additive inverse. These are the properties of addition. In addition, reflexive property in addition. In multiplication also there, and the note property. Right closure. Closure property. Yes. Properties of operations are whole numbers. So second, these are the properties of operations on whole numbers. On whole numbers. On whole numbers. In addition and multiplication. Multiplication. Yes. We are additive and multiplicative identity also. Multiplicative identity. And multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. These are the properties we occur in operations. See, closure property, it is a I explained you already. The sum of any two whole numbers is also a whole number. Result, the sum of any two whole numbers is also a whole number. Is called closure property. The sum of any two whole numbers is a whole number. Is called a closure property. Is called a closure property. Example property. Example, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 is a whole number, 6 is a whole number, and 11 also whole number. Example, commutative property. Here, by adding any, change the order without affecting the result. Now, if A plus B, if A and B are two whole numbers, A and B are two whole numbers, if A and B are whole numbers, then A plus B is same as B plus A. 5 plus 6 is same as 6 plus A, 6 plus 5. This is called commutative property. This is called commutative property. Is called commutative property. Commutative property. And associative property, there are three numbers. If A comma B comma C, in these three numbers are any whole numbers, then A plus B plus C is same as A plus B plus C. Is called associative property. Associative. In commutative property, two whole numbers are taken. In associative property, three whole numbers are taken. That is the difference. Same result by writing in any order, three numbers, then their resulting is same. 3 plus 5 plus 7 is same as 5 plus 3 plus 7. By adding any order, it will be same result. It is called associative property. Associative property. To take numbers 3 plus 4 plus 5 is same as 5 plus 3 plus 4. Result is same. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Here 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Result is same. This property is known as associative property. Commutative property, only two numbers are taken. A plus B is same as B plus A. 5 plus 7 is same as 7 plus 5. Like that. In this commutative property, we take only two. In associative property, there is three. There are three whole numbers, and no distributive property in this multiplication is this. And additive identity 0. 0 is additive identity, and the multiplicative identity 1. When we multiply a whole number by 1, we get the same whole number. When we add a 0 to any whole number, we get the same number. So, additive identity is 0, multiplicative identity is 1. And what is additive inverse? Additive inverse of plus A is minus A, and minus 5 is plus 5. Right. Change the sign. Inverse means the opposite. Plus minus, minus plus. But whereas in multiplicative inverse, x is 1 by x and 1 by 5 is there, suppose. It is 5. Reciprocal. It is inverse of multiplicative inverse. Write like this. So these are the, when we add the resulting addition 0 is equal to the number. So 0 is added to any number, does not change the identity of the number. Because 0 is identity element additive identity. When we add 0 to any whole number, then the number value doesn't change. Then it is called additive identity, multiplicative identity. Now, see, let us do is 2b. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. 529 plus dash dash 398 plus 529. Second question. 0 plus 815. Third question. 10,000 plus dash dash 10,000. Fourth. 12 plus 47 plus 88 is equal to 100 plus second question. Find the sums. Two 17 plus 483. Second. 483 plus 217. Commutative property. Always same. Yes, it's proper. Name the property. Name the property. Are they same? Yes. Second question. Third question. Find each sum. Find each sum. 3908 208 plus 392 plus 726. Second. 39208 plus 392 plus 726. Are they equal? Name the property. Are they equal? Name the property. Yes. Now see, 529 given here. Here in the right side given 398 plus 528, 9. Same numbers are repeated. Commutative property. So here by seeing this, you can say 398. It is the number. Commutative property. 0. When we add 0, the value of this number doesn't change. Identity of the number doesn't change. Into identity. Here also same number given. When we add a number, we are getting the same number. Means it is into identity 0. Here 8, 7, 15. 15 plus 2. 8, 7, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 9, 13, 14, 147. We are getting 147. We are given 100. So what is the extra number? What should be added? 47. Once again. Sum of these three digits. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 40. 147. So extra will be added 47. That's all. It is simple. Now find the sum. The sum of the two numbers add by your knowledge. 3 plus 7, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 700 value. And in the second question also same digits are given. Result is same. 700. If you want to add like this, 483 to 17, 7, 3, 10, 8 to 10, 700. By rougher also you can do. So digits are same, numbers are same, but given in reverse any order. Sum of any two numbers is same if we write any order, that is commutative property. A plus B is equal to B plus A. It comes under commutative property. Are they same? Means yes. It is commutative property. Commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. In multiplication also you write commutative property in multiplication. Third also same. Add first 39,208 and 392 and 746. 6 to 8, 8, 16. 9, 3, 12. 8, 3, 11, 11 plus 2, 13 and 40. 40,326. So this total is 40,326. Here also same. Add bracket wise. Same we get 392, 726, 6 to 8, 11, 8, 3, 11. And again this is added to 39,208. Add 8, 8, 16, 2, 3, 10, 4. We get same result 40,326. In the commutative property only two, A and B. A plus B is same as B plus A. But whereas in associative property, three numbers are there. A plus B plus C is same as A plus B of B plus C. Like this. But yes, they are equal? Yes. Associative property. Associative property. In addition, this property is called associative property. So, like that you follow. You please, page number 43. Follow this. Let us see others tomorrow.